Today, go with me to our number 8 workshop to watch our recently best-selling WDMS250 hybrid digital printing machine. The highlight of the WDMS250 is innovative dual-model integration technology, seamlessly combining the multi-pass high-precision scanning model with a single-pass high-speed printing model. The design not only enhances the versatility of the device but also allows it to meet a wide range of printing needs, making it an outgoing choice in the field of packaging printing equipment. In the multi-pass model, WDMS250 offers a printing speed up to 1400 square meters per hour. In single-pass model, the speed can reach as high as 108 meters per minute, easily handling large volume orders. This performance means that WDMS250 can satisfy high volume orders in single-pass model, while also using the scanning model to print large-sized, large area, high-precision, full-color cartoons. It provides users with an efficient and precise digital printing solution, covering more than 70% of customer needs, reducing equipment investment, saving space, labor, maintenance, and other costs, and significantly improving production efficiency. It represents other breakthrough in corrugated digital printing technology.